So good afternoon students. Today we are going to explain electric dipole. Electric dipole. So one of the important one. What is called electric dipole? Dipole. Dipole means di means two charges. So a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance, that is called as electric dipole. So two equal and opposite charges, unlike charges, separated a distance, certain distance. So that is called as electric dipole. So for example, if you take a plus q and minus q, these two charges are separated by a distance 2a. So that is called as a electric dipole. So the best example of electric dipole, water molecules and ammonia molecules are having electric dipole. Electric dipole moment. So electric dipole moment denoted by P. P is equal to Q into 2A. Here, so the product of either charges into the distance between two electric dipole. The distance between electric dipole is called as dipole moment. So dipole moment is defined as, so the product of either charges and the distance between electric dipole, that is called as electric dipole moment. So denoted by P. P is equal to Q into 2A. Q is the charge, magnitude of charge. 2A is the distance between these two charges. So that is called as electric dipole. So electric dipole measured in coulomb meter. So Q measured in coulomb, distance measured in meter, in SI unit coulomb meter. Okay, so this is called electric dipole. So electric field on axial line and electric dipole. So the applications of electric dipole, electric field on a axial line and electric dipole. So let us consider two charges. One charge is located at A, point A, another charge is located at point B. So these two charges are electric dipoles. These are separated at distance 2A. Okay. So now we want to find out the electric field on axial line. So this is a axial line. So we have to find out the electric field at point P. Point P. So point P is the distance between the point P and midpoint O is R. Okay. So the distance between P and A is called R plus A. The distance between B and P is called is R minus A. Okay. The distance between A and P R plus A. The distance between B, P R minus A. Now we want to find out the electric field on axial line at point P. Okay. So electric field due to point charge plus Q, EA is equal to, so we know that electric field due to point charge E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, what is the distance R square? R plus A. So this is the A, R plus A whole square. This is equation number 1. So the electric field in the direction of PA, in this direction. So electric field intensity is available in PA direction. So electric field due to minus Q charge. So that is EB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, what is the distance between B and P? R minus A whole square. This is equation number 2. Okay. This is along PX direction, this direction. EB is in this direction, EA in this direction. Okay. Here EB is greater than EA. So the EB is greater than EA. So the final electric field E is equal to EB minus EA. So E is equal to EB minus EA. EB value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square minus EA value Q by 4 pi epsilon naught the R by epsilon naught into 1 by R plus A whole square. Here E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught taken common, right? So 1 by r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square, right? So that is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square by r minus a whole square into r plus a whole square. Okay, so that should be equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So r square plus a square plus 2ab minus 2ra minus a square b square minus into minus plus 2ra. Okay, r minus a whole square, r square plus a square minus 2ra. So multiplying with minus, minus r square minus a square plus 2ra, minus 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 r square plus r square minus a square plus r square get cancelled. Okay, so a minus b whole square into a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square into a plus b whole square, a square minus b square. So r square minus a square whole square. So finally we conclude that E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, here 2ra, 4ra, 2ra plus 2ra, 4ra by r square minus a square whole square. So 2ra means here 2a into q into 2 by r square minus a square whole square. 2a into q means p. So that is equal to E is equal to p by 4 pi epsilon naught, 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square whole square. So this is the electric field due to axial line. Okay, due to axial line. Now we want to find out the electric field due to equilateral line. Equilateral line. So now we want to find out the equilateral line. So this is field due to equilateral line. Just 1 minute. Okay, now we are taking a electric field due to equatorial line. So we are taking a plus q, this is A, so this is B, and this is the equatorial line. Now we want to find out the electric field at point P. Okay, so this is R, this is A, and A, this is 2A totally, and this is the distance R. Here R square plus A square under root, here also R square plus A square under root. Now we want to find out the electric field due to plus q. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. So q by p square. So that should be equal to a square plus r square plus a square under root. So whole square. Okay, root means a square is get cancelled, r square plus a square. This is equation number 1. And the electric field due to minus q. So the EB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by this value also same, r square plus a square. Okay, this is equation number 2. So here the electric field due to point plus q, this is acting in the direction of PA direction, and the electric field due to minus q, it is acting in BP direction. This is like this. So these two are considered as a sides of the parallelogram. So the resultant vector is passing through like this. This is a diagonal. It is acting in px direction. So this resultant vector. So the resultant electric field E is equal to, we can write like this. The electric field E is equal to, so EA into here BA by, so that should be equal to BA by PA. Okay. So the electric field due to plus q is acting in PA direction. The electric field due to minus q acting in PP direction, BP direction. These two are considered as a the sides of the parallelogram, the resultant vector acting in diagonal of the parallelogram, that is Px. So the resultant intensity of electric field E is equal to A into Ba by Pa, right? So that should be equal to Ea is equal to, Ea means here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R square plus A square. And what is called Ba? Ba means the distance between these two, that should be equal to 2A, and Pa. So this is a Pa. Pa value should be equal to Ra plus A square whole power 1 by 2. So root nothing but whole power 1 by 2. So that should be equal to E is equal to Q by 4, Q into 2A here, divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square A square. So this is whole power 1, R square A square whole power 1 by 2. So that should be equal to A square plus R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So E is equal to Q into P 2A. That means electric dipole moment P by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square whole power 3 by 2. This is the electric field due to equatorial line. Thank you.